Hey guys and gals of YouTube and Instagram, it's Robert from Tall Guys RC. We're out this morning flying the Horizon Hobby Twin Otter. Hey guys, I'm also flying the plane today with my brand new NX6 radio from Spectrum. So enough talk, let's throw a battery in the bird and let's do some flying. Oh, what a beautiful plane in the air, guys. Now the instructions tell you to actually put in about 3% down elevator because the plane wants to nose up, and it looks like I actually might have to do that because the plane is actually pitching up a little bit. God, what a beautiful bird, guys. And it's nice and quiet too. Even though it has two counter-rotating props, it's actually nice and quiet. And again, I'm flying around here in low rates, or actually high rates but safe on. So let me flip it out of safe to see what she'll do. Guys, inverted, you have to hold a lot of down elevator. It is not want to fly inverted without you pushing it. Because I was really pushing elevator to hold the nose up inverted. But otherwise, guys, this is a great plane. It flies nice and slow. Let me drop some flap action on here. Slow it down for you here. So this is with this is with half flaps. Let's do all full flaps here. Whoa, pitch his nose up. Gonna have to do some mixing here and put in some down elevator because when you put on the flaps, the nose really wants to pitch up. Roll is a little sluggish, guys, and I'll probably have to add more throw on the ailerons because it doesn't want to roll very fast. So let's take it up high again and do another roll here. See if it's just not me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to add more throw on the ailerons. So what I'm gonna do is here, I just actually burned the first battery pack through it. I'm gonna put the flaps down now, so I can actually bring it in for a landing. Flip this back in a safe real fast here. Do a landing here real quick here. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Do me a favor, if you have not done so yet, hit the little subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you follow me, and those of you on mobile devices, hit the little bell notification so when I upload content like this weekly. I've been posting videos every Sunday and Monday on my channel, so for those of you looking for the new content coming out, it will come out either on a Sunday or a Monday. I want to thank you guys for supporting me, and then do me a favor, all the products seen in this video, if you want to click on my little affiliate link down below, go over to Amazon.com or Horizon Hobby and pick up some of the stuff that I've used in this video. I appreciate it. It helps me keep producing more content like this for you guys. Have a great weekend, guys. More cool stuff coming. Tall Guys RC signing out. Peace.